How does the Stanford Prison Experiment inform our understanding of modern prisons? Have you ever wondered how a simple experiment could change our view of prisons today? The Stanford Prison Experiment, led by Philip Zimbardo in 1971, offers a fascinating look into human behavior in a controlled setting. This study aimed to see how ordinary people would act when given roles of power or submission in a simulated prison. The findings were striking. Participants assigned the role of guards began to display authoritarian behaviors, even showing aggression, despite having no prior history of such actions. On the flip side, those assigned as prisoners became submissive and anxious, even though they could leave whenever they wanted. This shows how much the environment and assigned roles can shape behavior, often overriding individual personality traits. From a moral psychology perspective, this experiment raises significant questions about how people treat one another in institutional settings. The guards' readiness to impose strict rules and the prisoners' acceptance of mistreatment highlight how quickly individuals can adopt harmful roles. This is especially relevant in modern prisons, where similar dynamics of power and control can affect both staff and inmates. The ethical implications are also noteworthy. Researchers did not step in when participants showed signs of distress, leading to lasting psychological harm for some. This serves as a warning about the importance of maintaining ethical standards in both research and real-world institutions. In practical terms, the Stanford Prison Experiment informs how we manage prisons today. It highlights the dangers of unchecked authority and the need for oversight. Establishing clear ethical guidelines and regular monitoring can help prevent abuse and ensure the well-being of everyone involved in the prison system. Moreover, the study illustrates the concept of deindividuation. In group settings, individuals may act in ways they typically would not, especially when roles are clearly defined. This is relevant in prisons, where both guards and inmates may feel pressured to conform to group norms, sometimes compromising their personal morals. Ultimately, the Stanford Prison Experiment reminds us how easily ethical standards can slip in institutional environments. It encourages ongoing reflection on the moral responsibilities of those who design and manage prisons. Creating spaces that respect human dignity and prevent harm is essential. The lessons learned from this experiment continue to shape discussions about prison reform, staff training, and the ethical treatment of incarcerated individuals.